Hello students, in my previous videos I have explained about rationality, about consumer equilibrium and two approaches for consumer equilibrium. First one is cardinal and second is ordinal, and we also discussed diminishing marginal utility, and we also discussed how to draw the curve for marginal utility and total utility. Okay, our next my next video is about consumer equilibrium in case of consumption of one commodity and consumption of two commodity by cardinal approach. Okay, maximum satisfaction with given income. It is the state of consumer equilibrium. First of all, what is the definition of consumer equilibrium? The consumer equilibrium can be defined in terms of a state of rest or a state of rest in which a consumer is getting maximum satisfaction with his given income. Consumer equilibrium in case single commodity. The condition for the equilibrium, it is the ratio of marginal utility. The ratio of marginal utility of commodity X and its price. It should be equal to marginal utility of money. Okay? What is marginal utility of money? So, I would like to tell you that marginal utility of money refers to rupees worth of satisfaction that the consumer expect to get. A satisfaction that consumer expect to get by spending 1 rupees. Okay, so we assume that marginal utility of money, it is equals to price, because price is that amount which a consumer is ready to purchase any kind of goods or any kind of commodity, है ना. किसी भी commodity को purchase करने के लिए whatever the amount which a consumer is willing to pay, that is called price. और marginal utility of money is the same. Marginal utility of money क्या है? It is the rupee worth of satisfaction. Marginal utility of money उस satisfaction के बराबर है जो एक consumer को जो amount एक unit money का pay करने पर उसको मिल रहा है, that is equals to price. So money का utility, marginal utility का definition क्या होगा? Rupee worth of satisfaction that the consumer expects to get, and we are assuming that it is equal to price. Okay, so हम जितने भी क्वेश्चंस करेंगे इसके, तो उसमें हम मान के चलेंगे कि Px and MUM दोनों ही टर्म्स कैसी हैं? इक्वल हैं. This is the condition for the equilibrium in case of one commodity. Remember this condition always. MUX upon PX should be equal to MUM. Okay. The second condition in case of two commodity or in case of several commodity. Assume that consumer is consuming two commodities, commodity X and commodity Y. In that case, X का marginal utility क्या होगा? MUX. X का price, that is PX. Y का marginal utility, what will be? It will be MUY, and the price of Y is PY. So in case of two commodity, the equilibrium condition is here. The ratio of marginal utility of X and price of X should be equal to the ratio of marginal utility of Y and price of Y. MUX upon PX should be equal to MUY upon PY. In case consumer is consuming more than two commodity, for example, he is consuming X, Y and Z also. In that case, this equation will be MUX upon PX, MUY upon PY and MUZ upon PZ. Okay, this is the equilibrium condition for two commodity. To explain the consumer equilibrium with the help of cardinal approach, in case of single commodity, we assume some conditions. For example, first one is consumer is rational. The rationality shows that the consumer wants to maximize his satisfaction. Second assumption, that the price of commodity X is given and it remains constant. When we are taking the assumption of given price, it means the price is constant. Third assumption is MU of money, that is marginal utility of money, also remains same and it is equals to the price. The fourth assumption, or we can't say that it is assumption, the fourth condition for the equilibrium, it is equals to the price of X, the marginal utility of X divided by price of X. This ratio should be equal to marginal utility of money. Okay, now we will explain this condition for consumer equilibrium in case single commodity with the help of a tabular and graphical presentation. Here one example or tabular presentation. In this example or in this tabular presentation, first of all we have to assume certain things, that price, I assumed the price is rupees 4 per unit. Okay, what is the price? Price is 4 rupees per unit. And in the assumption I told you that price should be equal to the marginal utility of money. Okay, the price is equal to marginal utility of money. यहाँ हमने ये मान लिया है, we assumed it. Okay, now the tabular presentation includes first column, it is for the consumption of commodity X. It is consumption of commodity X, that is unit for 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit and further 5 units, and the consumption will increase. Next, the column is for marginal utility of X. Okay, all the numbers whatever we are taking, that should be assumed. MUX, it is 24, 20, 18, 16 and 10. I assumed all these numbers. And price of X, I assumed that the price is rupees 4, 4, 4, 4, 4 for all the consumption, because the assumptions which we have taken, it is the constant price should be there. The price should remain same throughout the consumption process. So the price is here, it is 4, and the other column which I made for that condition of consumer equilibrium, we require MUX upon PX. तो मैंने यहाँ टेबल में ही आपका ये पूरा रेशो शो कर दिया है, MUX upon PX. MUX upon PX हमने यहाँ निकाल लिया है. MUX upon PX हम कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? हर एक लेवल पर. When consumer is consuming first commodity, in that case he is getting MUX 24 and the price is 4. Okay, so MUX upon PX what will be? This 24 divided by 4, that is 6. Next is 20 divided by 4, it is 5. And 18 divided by 4, it is 4.5. 16 divided by 4, it is equal to 4. 10 divided by 4, it is equal to 2.5. So, by dividing marginal utility of X divided by price of X, we are getting 6, 5, 4.5, 4, 2.5. And marginal utility, we assumed that MUM and PX is equal and it is 4, 4, 4. Okay, तो हमारे पास में जो लास्ट के जो दो कॉलम्स हैं, ये दोनों कॉलम कौन से वाले? MUX वाला एंड द अदर वन इज MUM. इन दोनों कॉलम को इफ वी विल कंपेयर, तो इन दैट केस वी विल फाइंड दैट at the fourth level of consumption, when consumer is consuming 4 units, when consumer is consuming 4 unit, when he is consuming 4 unit, in that case he is getting 16 utils as marginal utility and he is paying rupees 4 as the price, and the ratio of this both these term, that is 16 divided by 4, it is equal to 4. Okay, and here MUX upon PX is equal to MUM, which I have shown here. MUX upon PX should be equal to MUM. What is MUX? For the fourth fourth level of consumption where consumer is consuming 4 units. MUX is 16 and the price is 4. 16 divided by 4 equals to 4 and marginal utility of money is also 4. Okay. This is the tabular presentation to explain the term consumer equilibrium. The next is graphical presentation. The graphical presentation for this equilibrium in case of single commodity. On x-axis, as usual, we are taking consumption of commodity X or good X. On y-axis, marginal utility is mentioned. Okay. Commodity, consumption of the commodity, it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 units. And the marginal utility, it is mentioned 24, 20, 18, 16 and 10. So, I have taken the difference of 4 units. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and 24. At first level of consumption, when consumer is consuming 1 unit of good X, he is getting 24 utils. He is getting 24 utils. Okay. So, I marked the point for 24 and 1. At the consumption of 2 commodities, when consumer is consuming 2 commodities of good X, he is getting marginal utility of 20. So, on 2, he is getting marginal utility of 20. At the level of consumption, third level of consumption, he is consuming 3 units of commodity X or good X. At this level, he is getting 18 utils. What is 18 utils? So 18 is in between 20 and 16. It is line. तो यहाँ पर अपना 18 है. 18 will be marked for third level of consumption and it will be here. Okay, 18. And at fourth level, when consumer is consuming 4 units of good X, he is getting 16 utils. 16 I have marked here for consumption level 4th. And when he is consuming 5 units, he is getting 10 utils. 10 is lying in between 12 and 8. 10 utils as marginal utility. This downward sloping curve is of marginal utility of X. Okay. So here at what level he is getting maximum satisfaction? I told you the satisfaction will be at that point where MUX upon PX will be equal to MUM. And it is the 4th level of consumption. When he is consuming 4 units, when consumer is consuming 4 units, at that point he is getting the maximum satisfaction. This is the consumption level when consumer is getting maximum satisfaction, or this is the equilibrium state for the consumer. Okay, and we are showing the equilibrium state with the help of this line. Above this line, consumer will remain on equilibrium. यहाँ पर वो सबसे ज़्यादा कंजम्पशन करके इतना कंजम्पशन करके वो मैक्सिमम सेटिस्फैक्शन को गेन करेगा. ओके, यूनिट 1, 2, 3 एंड 4. इसके बाद वो नहीं करेगा बिकॉज आफ्टर दिस लेवल उसका जो सेटिस्फैक्शन है वो रिड्यूस हो जाएगा. In case of 2 commodity, when consumer is consuming 2 commodity, the equilibrium will remain, or it will struck at that point. It will be struck at that point where marginal utility of money divided by Px, price of X, marginal utility of X upon Px equals to MUY upon Py. Okay. But this condition is equilibrium condition for 2 commodity consumption. So, to prove this condition, we should take some assumptions that prices are given for X and Y, and the consumer is rational and income is also given, and the marginal utility of money remains same. Okay. In this tabular presentation, I assumed that to simplify this tabular presentation, I assumed that X and Y's prices remains same and it is 1 rupees per unit. To simplify our calculation, I assume that X and Y's prices are 1 rupees per unit. Commodities consumed, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 units, and other column is for marginal utility of X. Marginal utility of X is mentioned at level of consumption 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit and 5 units. Corresponding, it is 25, 20, 15 and 10 and 5 utils for X. Okay. These are marginal utilities for X. When consumer is consuming 1 unit, he is getting 25 utils. At 2 unit, 20 utils. At 3 unit, 15 utils. At 4 unit, 10 utils, and at 5 units, 5 utils. For consumption of Y, the consumer is getting marginal utilities in term of 30, 26, 15, 2 and 0. Okay. At what level the ratio of MUX upon PX will be equal to the ratio of MUY equals to MUY and PY. It is the level 3. At the consumption of 3 units of commodity X and 3 units of commodity Y, the consumer will remain in the equilibrium, as the MUX upon PX and MUY upon PY remains same. MUX is 15 divided by price of X and MUY is 15 divided by price of Y. Okay. So, here the consumer will remain in the equilibrium condition. In this example which I have taken, consumer is consuming equal quantities of X and Y. But in any other example, the quantity for X and Y may be differ. Okay, it may be different. The quantities may differ in other examples or in other conditions. For example, consumer can consume 2 units of X and he can consume 4 units of Y, or in that condition he can be in equilibrium. If only the condition should be MUX upon PX should be equal to MUY upon PY. Now, okay, for this tabular presentation, I have plotted the graph or the graphical presentation for this tabular presentation. First graph is the graph in between quantity and the marginal utility of X, and second is quantity and marginal utility of Y. Okay. On X-axis, as usual, I have taken consumption of commodities. On first graph, it is commodity X, and in second graph, it is commodity Y. Okay, units are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 units, and same in the second graph, unit 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. For X commodity, first unit of consumption is giving 25 utils, first unit of consumption is giving 25 utils, second unit of consumption is giving 20 utils, and third unit of consumption is giving 15 utils. This is 15 utils. Fourth unit is giving 10 and fifth unit is giving 5. The marginal utility is diminishing as consumption is increasing. This was our law of diminishing marginal utility, which was given by Gaussian. Okay. Next, for Y commodity, first consumption of Y is giving 30 utils, second consumption of Y is giving 26 utils, third consumption is giving 15 utils, fourth consumption is giving 2 utils, and last consumption is giving 0 as marginal utility. Okay, here the curve for marginal utility of Y is a zigzag line. The graph can be in this term also. Okay, but it should be declining. ये हमेशा डिक्लाइन होना चाहिए, डिमिनिश होना चाहिए एज पर द लॉ ऑफ डिमिनिशिंग मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी. ओके, बट what is the equilibrium condition? The equilibrium condition is lying at the consumption level where consumer is consuming 3 units of X and 3 units of Y. Okay, and that is the state where he is getting 50 newtons from X and 50 newtons from Y's consumption. So here this is a line which is adjoining both the graph by a same line, and this line is calling EMUL. This is EMUL. It means equi for E, marginal utility line. Equi marginal utility line is the line which is showing the equal marginal utilities which a consumer is getting from the different consumption levels at different prices or at the price given. Okay, so this is all about our consumer equilibrium condition in case of two commodity.